Do you know what are the living things made up of? They are made up of cells. Yes, the cell is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of life. Some living things are made up of single cells and are called as unicellular, while others are made up of multiple cells and are called as multicellular. The cell is made up of various organs such as cell membrane. Cell membrane is used for the protection and exchange of the material in and out of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and generates energy. Nucleus. Nucleus is the most important part of the cell. It is called as the brain of the cell and holds DNA. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is responsible for the transport of the material. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like structure in which all other cell organs are suspended. Ribosomes. Ribosomes produce proteins in the cell. Lysosome eliminate the excreted material from the cell. Cell wall. Cell wall is present only in the plant cell and gives structure to the plant cell. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment present only in the plant cell and is useful in the process of photosynthesis. Now this cell is further divided into two types, prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are small in size, whereas eukaryotic cells are larger in size. Prokaryotic cells do not have well-defined nucleus, while eukaryotic cells have well-defined nucleus. Prokaryotic cells do not contain mitochondria. Eukaryotic cells contain mitochondria. Prokaryotic cells, the reproduction is asexual. In eukaryotic cells, the reproduction is sexual. The arrangement of DNA in prokaryotic cell is circular. The arrangement of DNA in eukaryotic cell is linear. The example of prokaryotic cell is Archaebacteria and the example of eukaryotic cell is plant cell and the animal cell. Now the plant cell is present in the plant whereas the animal cells are present in animals. The main difference between the plant cell and the animal cell is the cell wall and the chlorophyll. Cell wall is present in the plant cell but absent in the animal cell. Same as chlorophyll is present in the plant cell but absent in the animal cell. Plant cell can prepare their own food using chlorophyll, hence they are called as autotrophic. Animal cell cannot produce its own food, hence it is called as heterotrophic. Now this plant cell and animal cell further gets divided to form a new cell. This process is called as the cell division. The cell division is mainly of two types, mitosis and meiosis. When the cell gets divided through the mitosis, two daughter cells are formed which are identical to their mother cells as they form equal number of chromosomes. When the cell division occurs through meiosis, four daughter cells are formed. They are genetically different as they form half number of chromosomes to that of the mother cells. Mitosis occurs in the somatic cells of the body. Meiosis occurs in the reproductive cells of the body. The main function of the mitosis is growth and repair. The main function of the meiosis is reproduction. The homologous chromosomes do not pair in mitosis. The homologous chromosomes pairs in meiosis. What are the homologous chromosomes? Homologous chromosomes are the chromosomes which have same size, shape and organization. The mitosis takes place in skin cells, whereas the meiosis takes place in the sperm cells. there is no crossover in mitosis, whereas there is a crossover in meiosis. After the cell division, new cells are formed.